Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a subscribe button on your YouTube Shorts. It's really simple, and you can do it directly in the YouTube app without needing any external editing software. Just follow these instructions carefully. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube app and go to the home page. Then, click on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Select Short from the button options. You can either create your short instantly or upload it from your camera roll. After selecting the video, click on the tick button to proceed next. Once you're in the Shorts creation screen, you'll see 5 options on the right side. Click on the first option, Text. Now, type Subscribe and choose the red color for the text. Make sure the text style is selected to appear at the top left corner by clicking the button for alignment. You can adjust the size and position of the text by dragging it around the screen. Once you're happy with the placement, click Done. Then click Next to continue with uploading your video. That's all. Now, you've added a subscribe button to your YouTube short. Thank you for watching.